3 things to try if your PLR product isn't selling. Selling PLR products is a relatively low-risk business model. You spend a small amount to purchase both the book and the license to resell it and make changes, and from there, you put a sales funnel in place and start making sales. In most cases, you won't even need to write your own sales script, as you'll get that free with the product itself. It's literally a copy and paste business model, and usually you'll have broken even after just a few sales. But that doesn't mean you can rest on your laurels. It's still frustrating and wasteful when products don't sell the way you expect them to, and so you shouldn't just give up and allow this to happen. Here are 3 different methods you can use to encourage sales and turn a slow starter into a roaring success. 1. Change the price. Altering the price point is a great way to get more attention for a digital product. If it's not selling, then perhaps you're asking too much for it right now. Lowering the cost could sweeten the deal enough to help get the ball rolling. Likewise, you can also manipulate the price in the short term to offer limited-time deals. You might sell the product for a discounted price for a short time, for instance, which can help you to pick up momentum thanks to the sense of urgency that will then surround the product. 2. Change the title. The title is what gives your product context and what defines your audience. By changing this, you can make your book sound more exciting and appealing, and at the same time, you can also slightly change the target audience. If you're willing to edit the interior slightly, then you can take this even further too. 3. Fix the sales copy. Failing that, try taking a closer look at your sales copy. Are you really selling the advantages of the book? Are you making it sound truly exciting and unique? An important thing to focus on in this regard is something called the value proposition. Value proposition refers to the inherent value that your book offers beyond the sum of its parts. How will your book change the lives of the people who read it? Will they be happier, more confident, more energetic, richer? Will they find it easier to meet members of the opposite sex? Speak to the emotional value of your product, and you'll be amazed what a difference this can make.